Adobe Photoshop. Next you need File, Open, and use this photos. Select the photos. Select this photo. Select this one. Select this photo. I'm going to select this shirt through the Magic Wand tools. Click on here. So then after that, with the Shift key, with the Shift, and click mouse pointer. So select this way. You know the points. So you know like this way. So depending on the photos also. So then after that, layer, neofill layer, patterns. So then select OK. Any colors. So mod. So then after that OK. So you can select the patterns. The previous units. We have created the patterns. So now I'm applying that. So likewise, we select this one. So the different styles. So then after that, OK. Cancel this. Layer, neofill layer. So then gradient. So you can increase or decrease the gradient. Say earlier we had done this part. So then cancel this. So the linear type, radial or whatever, so you can select from here. So then layer, neofill layer, solid colors. That also done earlier. So the neofill layer, color balance. So then after that, OK. Cyan, magenta, yellow, red, green, blue. Just you can increase the red color coming like this way. So then after that, to the magenta, you can increase or decrease. So the yellow or blue. So the red. So then cancel this. So the layer, new adjustment layer. Brightness and contrast. So then after that, okay. Brightness and contrast. Brightness, brightness, then contrast. After select OK, so the different colors you can save the photo also. Now cancel this one. So the layer, new adjustment layer, channel mixes. So then after that, OK. So example, so the red color. So the green, so the blue color. See the information, already we have selected this color through the channel mixer. So that information, so we can save, you can save. So the click on here, the information we can save. So the save file extension for this channel mixers, CHA. So then after that, say now say, so you can give the file name color, COLO, COLO dot CHA. The information separately you can save, not that picture. So the information you can save separately. Right. So then after that, save. It goes to under the documents. So then select OK. So what is the purpose of this? Say the different pictures, we can use this information. No need to select, because difficult to select the percentage wise. Right. So example, to select open. So now select this one, the different person. So I click on here. Suitable for this one. So the shared. Control plus B. I selected this browser. Say then they just select like this way. So then after that, layer, so then click on this load. Click on this load, the same function, the same information under the channel mixer. So the information file name, COLO already we are given. file extension CHA. So then select this one. It's coming like this one. Right? So the same information, say you can copy to here. Right? So now go to layer. So layer, channel mixer, then okay. Okay, then already we have saved that information. So now you can apply to other pictures through the load. Already we have saved this one. Say here this one. So then after that, load, apply to here. Correct. So now I cancel this one. So you practice like this way. Practice like this way. Later, meet on another unit.